TLE. Technical Drafting Review. Fundamentals of Technical Drafting. Question number 1. These consist of drawings regarding the building's plumbing system. It typically includes sanitary and drainage systems, as well as the septic tank. The correct answer is letter D. Plumbing plans. Number 2. Arrange the following according to its correct order. 1. Set up the drawing board. 2. Secure the T-square. 3. Align the T-square. The correct answer is letter A. 1, 3, 2, in that order. Number 3. This is the length in which a straight line passes through the center of an opening. The correct answer is letter A. Inside diameter. Number 4. This is a measurement that represents the distance between 2 points. The correct answer is letter C. Linear. Number 5. These are geometric shapes that are classified as a set of points all equally distanced from the center. The correct answer is letter B. Circle. Number 6. This measuring instrument has 2 types, namely the drafting blank and the set square. The correct answer is letter C. Drafting triangles. Number 7. These are geometric shapes that are commonly formed by the interconnection of 3 line segments. The correct answer is letter A. A triangle. Number 8. Which type of graphite pencil is used for light marks in a drawing? The correct answer is letter B. 9H2H graphite pencil. Number 9. This measuring instrument is used to create and measure plane angles. The correct answer is letter B. Protractor. Last question, number 10. These are writing and drawing tools with a graphite core encased in wood. The correct answer is letter D. Graphite pencil to be specific. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.